Just copy this index.jsp in example 16 JSTL, and let's create another example 17 JSTL, and just paste this file here. Let's open this example 17 JSTL. In this example, we mentioned the taglib directive and we saved attribute, but we did not specify the scope. Let's specify the scope as well. Let's say page scope. Now let's create another attribute with the same name ABC, but this time the value will be, we want to save this attribute in request scopes, predefined word request. Now let's say we want to save another attribute with the same name, but the value is 333, and we want to save this attribute in station scope. So the attribute name is same, but the scopes are different. There is no conflict because these different scopes create different namespaces, so there is no name conflict. Now let's create another attribute ABC, and the value of this attribute is 444, and let's say we want to save this value in applications scope. Now here in this example, we are accessing the attributes saved in different scopes, and the attribute name is same, so there is no issue. So the first output would be 111, and the next output will be 222, and the next 333 and 444. Now just run and try this example. This example is 17 JSTL. Let's run this example. 111, 222, 333, 444. This video is completed here. So see you in next video.